Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I just woke up right now. Today's vlog is going to be about going to the Hoover Dam. Better take a little joyride over there. But before we do that, I gotta go wash the car. It's like super filthy, super dirty. Ain't nobody trying to be driving around in a dirty old car to the Hoover Dam. So as you can see, it's super filthy. Look at the rims. Super filthy. And there it is. Clean car. Now all we gotta do is dry it, get back home, take a shower, get ready, gas up the car, and we'll be out of here. So, I washed the car, I took a shower, my baby Duke's got ready, gassed up the freaking car, and now we're jumping on the freeway. About to head to the Hoover Dam, but before we do that, you already know, we gotta take a food break. It's gonna be lunch and breakfast. There we go. See, look right here. This is coming soon. I didn't see it coming soon. Yeah, see, it's still working. Alright, Chipotle it is.
Starting route to Chipotle Mexican. In 1 mile, arrived.
Alright, make sure. On the left.
On the left. Alright, so we have now arrived to Chipotle. Chipotle!
Oh, there's a Jamba Juice too.
And there's a Jamba Juice. That sounds pretty good, actually. Except I don't see Chipotle. I think Siri's wrong. I think it was in the next one.
It was right here, like.
The hell? I don't even see Chipotle on the menu over there. Chipotle must be on that side, no? We now arrived to Chipotle, you guys. Couldn't find it for a second, but we found it. Go get some food and then jump back on this road and see where it takes us.
Thank you.
So we got our Chipotle from Baby Duke's. You got your bowl,
My favorite
chips and
bowl.
salsa.
Gotta have that guac.
Guac is gonna be extra. About to leave Chipotle.
Starting route to Hoover Dam. Head southeast on Southeastern Avenue, then turn left onto Coronado Center Drive.
41 minutes away.
So we have just arrived to the Hoover Dam. You can see it's right behind me. Now let's check it out, you guys. Danger. Keep off of wall. This is the Hoover Dam, you guys. A lot of parking over here too, you guys, in case you want to come yourselves. There's parking everywhere, free parking. lot of stairs. I don't know, I can make it down. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it up. A lot of stairs. Jesus. Almost there. Danger, 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 danger. Yeah, that's a big ass hole in there. Wonder where that goes. Probably to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. With the rest of the water from the dam. Oh, I guess so. I can't believe I just walked all of that. Wonder how I'm gonna get back to the car. In case you guys didn't know, for me that is a lot of walking. A lot of walking. Wish I had one of those coats. I'm about to start jogging to get warm. My hands are all frozen. There's the Hoover Dam behind me. Yeah, I really do need to start jogging to get warm. I forgot to bring a sweater. And it's getting pretty cold up here. You don't say. So I am currently in Arizona right now, but I will be back in Nevada in about a minute or two. If you guys ain't came to the Hoover Dam, check it out. You guys should check it out if you ain't too far from it. Or whenever you're in Vegas, it's on like a 40-minute drive. 40 minutes to an hour, depending on your driving. And you'll get here. Anyways, here's the Arizona time. It is about to be 2:15 in AZ. This is the Arizona time. And over here in Nevada, it is 1:15. It's about an hour difference. What's going on down here? Imagine look. The model.
Yeah.
And if you look to this little building over here, that's Nevada time. Oh, is it right here?
Yeah.
It is, huh? That's why they're right here taking pictures of the sign or something. Oh, here it is, right? So Nevada. And then Arizona. Pretty cool. So if I do this, I'm in Nevada and Arizona, huh? Right?
Yep.
So yeah, you guys. So now I'm in Nevada, Arizona, Nevada. We're here in both places at once. How you like me now? Right? It's that easy. It's that easy to just jump from, state to state right here. That's what I call state to state. You know what I'm saying? You see it? But I'm gonna just stay in Nevada. But
Half
yeah,
and half.
I think you guys get the point, right? State to state, Nevada, Arizona, Nevada, Arizona. We got it. So now we're gonna cross the street, you guys, and let's see what's on this side. Also, this is what's on this side, huh? And that looks cool over there, huh? Jump in a boat and just cruise through there. Got helicopter tours over here too. And you guys are interested? gotta go get the car. It's like a long way over there to get the car though. And I'm not really used to walking that much.
It's a lot of walking.
Especially on a full stomach. Chipotle. Careful behind you. But yeah. I might just jog over there because it's like more colder on Arizona side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little tour of the Hoover Dam, and maybe that'll make you guys come check it out for yourselves. Oh man, so now I gotta walk all the way up all these stairs. And we are done.
Watch, we're in Arizona, and now we are in Nevada.
Oh, we're back in Nevada, you guys. So we are now leaving. We are now leaving the Hoover Dam, and we might go to some overlooks and stuff. So this was pretty much the Hoover Dam. What you guys seen is what you get, basically. So I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it, and yeah, just drop a comment, let me know what you think, and seriously, let me know what you guys think of going to Utah or going to San Francisco, or where should I go next. Just let me know, drop a comment, let me know where you think is cool. There's a bunch of places I've never been to, so yeah, just let us know what you guys think, and I might be there soon. So we are now at the Lakeview Overlook. Just something to look at, you know. Now, if you look really closely, you'll see my boat down there. Don't look too close. Pretty cool, right? Just a whole bunch of water and rocks and mountains. Oh look, that actually looks kind of cool. They got a cave you can walk through. Never seen that. I wonder how you get there. Or are they not supposed to be?
I don't know. Yeah, that's it.
Pretty much it, you guys. Alright, so we are officially back home, you guys, from the Hoover Dam. It was pretty cool. You know, it's always good to go see the nature, see what there is out there. But yeah, let me know if you guys liked the video. Also, do not forget, comment below and let me know where I should go next. Should I go to San Francisco next and do the Escape from Alcatraz tour, or should I just go to Utah and see what there is over there? I've never been to Utah. I've been to Frisco once, but I didn't do too much.
Do both.
And do both. Who is that? No, I've been to Frisco, but the time we went, the Alcatraz stuff, it was closed. But I'm pretty sure if I look it up, it'll probably be open now. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think of the video. Don't forget to comment and let me know where I should go next. Alright? Peace. I'm out.